You're from Bulacan po.
Yes.
So you are, but now you will be representing Aurora in the upcoming Mrs. Universe.
Proudly.
Yeah, super proud.
Yes.
Bakit Aurora?
Aurora is close to my heart because I learned a lot from staying here and living here. I opened the restaurant back in 2014 and I also lost money from it dahil nasa baba ng tourism. Hindi kaya, as business owner, you would understand. To operate a business, may mga cost tayo and yung amount ng customers can sustain the operation. Most businesses get much. But despite these things, medyo marami ng pangyayari sa akin dito. Like, during the height of pandemic, I lost my baby when I had COVID. I had COVID. I was supposed to I was in need of ventilator, pero wala tayong ventilator dito. And then, I recovered. I recovered, but I was pregnant that time and I lost my baby. So, I went into early labor. So, napakadaling sabihin na ayoko na sa Aurora kasi diba? Parang ang dami nang nangyayari sa akin. But I keep coming back. I moved away for a while. I lived in Siargao. Pero bumalik pa rin ako. Kagaya nga nang sinabi ni Sam Ika recently sa interview niya, Baler is raw. It's very charming. Also, kahit saan ka pumunta, ang daming magagandang spot. Yung mata mo laging busog. Alam niyo yan mga sir. So, hindi ka magsasawa. But also, it's the people. Yung mga locals, ibang magmahal. Pag minahal ka, tinanggap ka sa kanila. Yan. Si Edwin, parang yan. So, and like, wala naman po akong, I don't have anything against Bulacan. That's why I'm not representing Bulacan. But I feel like I can represent every woman dito sa Aurora. I've been here long enough and I've learned a lot of things. If I can represent them sa national stage, if I can empower yung mga kababaihan natin dito. Like that. So, doon kasi marami na sila eh. Dito kailangan ng mas marami pang tao na kagaya natin. To empower, to inspire, to advocate for things. Para yung mga kabataan natin dito. Kasi remote tayo eh. Wala tayong masyadong access to everything that they have dito sa mga city. So, ayun.
Next question po. Definitely you will be having your promotional video. What would be the theme of that promotion?
So, ito alam to ni Ma'am Ena, ni Sir Cedric, at ni Sir Tyrus. I will go heavy. I will go heavy on tourism because I'm very passionate about it. So, starting next week, I will be going around Aurora Province. Kwento ko sa inyo yung video ko para ma-imagine nyo na. It will start in Maria Aurora. Kung alam niyo yung bypass, yung sa border po.
Yes.
So may bypass road siya. I will start there with, I will start the video with me wearing a Filipiniana sa pagsikat ng araw. Because it will represent every Aurora women. Para sunrise. It's our time. And it's inspiring kasi parang after the pandemic, ito yung chance natin na bumangon. Also, so after that, I will be going to live with the local Sabutan leaders. And then, from that, magbabaler tayo. We will be promoting hotels and then I will be going with the fisherman. Because again, I'm a chef, so I want to promote food tourism as well. I'm a storyteller, so I want to tell people outside Aurora na ito yung storya namin. So, mayaman kami sa isda, sa gulay, sa mga pagkain. This is how we harvest our food. I will go to farms and have videos taken with the farmers, fishermen, and then put that time. Kasi parang yan yung wala pa, hindi masyadong na-emphasize dito sa atin. Like sa Siargao, hindi naman sa ginagaya. Like sa Siargao, sikat na sikat yung Google 5 nila. Gusto ko pagpunta ng mga turista dito, or kahit makita pa lang nila sa Manila yung video, ay, ito pala yung pagkain ko. Ito pala yung video offer nila. Sige ka I will be promoting sa video yung mga local products natin dito. Food and non-food. Restaurants, coffee shops, and then, so after that, we go to San Luis. Mayroon tayo yung mountain resort doon na gusto ko puntahan. And also, we've been given access to videos, like, kasi kaka-opera ko lang. So, wala pang 10 days ako na-operahan. I had a major surgery. So, some of the plans na yung mga lugar na pupuntahan, hindi ko pa pwedeng puntahan. So, yung mga falls natin, we will put that in the video, and then we go to Pakulao. Ako ay isang rider. So part of the video will be riders sa Ampere po. And then, kasi gusto kong i-promote lahat ng pwede nating makuha ang tourism aspect. Like sa video, we have camping, dito sa Ampere, we have the big bikes. We will also feature mga nagbibisikleta, mga cyclists. We really wanna get the attention of every market that we can get. For Kasiguran, we also gonna be going to Tibu Tidal Pool, and then there's another suggestion sa Janet daw po, kasi naman siya. Sa Dika Salarin, a shot of me riding my husband's big bike. So, ayun. And it's a 2-minute video. So, ang dami kong pangarap. Sana magkasya. But kung meron pa kayong suggestion, I open kami. Kasi, kaya nga nang sinabi ko, kayo yung madalas na lumalabas, namamasyal. Yun po. Sorry, ito pa, excited ako. Yung soundtrack, kasi most of the tourism videos sa mga beauty pageant, nagsasalita yung mga contestant. I won't be speaking a lot. I will just do, parang sa simula is my name, and then tara po sa Aurora Province. But the rest of the video, it will be, yung soundtrack is yung Pasidayang Aurora.
And the video speak for the audience.
Yes.
Kasi action
Yes.
It's not very good word.
So, for me kasi ang Baler is an adventurous, not just Baler, I mean Aurora, is an adventurous province. It offers a lot. So, yun yung gusto kong i-emphasize dun sa video. That whatever you wanna do, whatever adventure you are in, tara dito kasi meron kami na. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Very timely.